Today I am reviewing full Vitamix Explorian Blender. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Vitamix Explorian Blender is a professional-grade blending powerhouse that brings exceptional performance to your kitchen, whether you're a casual cook or a culinary enthusiast. Designed with precision in mind, this blender is perfect for those who want to create everything from silky smooth purees to hearty soups and chunky sauces, all with ease and control. One of the standout features of the Vitamix Explorian is its 10 variable speeds, which allow you to fine-tune your blends with absolute precision. Whether you want a velvety smoothie, a creamy soup, or a coarse texture for sauces, you have full control over the texture of your blend. The pulse feature is another valuable addition, letting you layer coarse chops over smooth purees, creating complex textures without overprocessing. This makes it ideal for recipes that require more than one level of blending, such as thick vegetable soups or chunky pasta sauces. Powered by a robust 2.2 horsepower motor with 1500 watts of power, the Vitamix Explorian Blender effortlessly handles tough ingredients. From fibrous vegetables to hard nuts, frozen fruits and seeds, this blender can process them all without strain. It produces consistently smooth results, even with the densest blends, thanks to its carefully engineered stainless steel blades that maintain their sharpness over time. The blender features a 64-ounce low-profile container made from BPA-free Eastman Triton registered copolyester. This durable container not only resists stains and odors, but it is also designed to fit under most kitchen cabinets, making it both powerful and space-conscious. Its large capacity is perfect for preparing family-sized portions, whether you're making smoothies, soups, nut butters, or large batches of sauces. For those who value convenience, the Vitamix Explorian offers easy cleaning. Simply add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and the blender cleans itself in 30 to 60 seconds, no disassembly required. This feature saves time and effort, making it easy to keep your blender ready for the next use without fuss. Another notable aspect is the durability and quality assurance. Each Vitamix Explorian undergoes a 17-point inspection process to ensure every machine meets high standards. The renewed premium model offers incredible value, giving you professional-level performance at a significantly reduced price, without compromising quality. The Vitamix Explorian Blender isn't just about blending, it's about versatility. You can chop, mix, grind, emulsify, make juices, create coffee blends, and even prepare frozen desserts. This blender adapts to your kitchen needs, offering unmatched flexibility. Whether you're a busy parent, a health enthusiast, or a cooking professional, this blender will save time while delivering superior results. Its intuitive controls, powerful motor, durable container, and easy cleaning make it a true kitchen workhorse. Vitamix's reputation for high quality, backed by a 3-year full warranty, gives you peace of mind that this investment will last for years. If you want a blender that can handle anything you throw at it while giving you complete control over texture and speed, the Vitamix Explorian Blender is an exceptional choice. It blends power, precision, durability, and convenience into a sleek, reliable kitchen tool, making it a worthy addition to any home or professional kitchen. For anyone who takes cooking seriously or wants to elevate their daily nutrition with smoothies, soups, and sauces, this blender delivers an unbeatable combination of performance, quality, and value. The Vitamix Explorian Blender proves why Vitamix remains the gold standard in blending technology.